Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to format the filter pane. To format the filter pane, click on View. And then select Customize your theme. The Customize theme window will pop up. I will then select the filter pane. I will select the background color as lime green. Then let's adjust the transparency to 50%. You can also change the font color. Change the size of font and header. Let's select blue as the checkbox color. Once you have finalized your settings, then click on Apply. The filter pane is now formatted. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out other Power BI videos.